Hi, good afternoon. I am Erni Rahayu, a student at Asia Cyber University from class MK 104.
Hi everyone, I am Erni Rahayu, a student at Asia Cyber University. I am from class MG 104. Today I would like to present the finding of an interview recently conducted regarding of final exam. I decided to explore the topic of education with a particular focus on strategies to boost children motivation for learning or education. First of all, why did I decide this topic? Order of three, I recognize that one of the key challenges in parenting is figuring how to support and guide our children through their learning journey. Moms always want their children perform well academically, right? Why I believe it essential to explore strategies that can help our children develop a strong enthusiasm for learning. To gain more insight, I interview a friend with significant experience in this field, at least better than me, to offer valuable perspective and share their personal experience of the matter. Now let's hear what she have to say. Hi everyone, today I'm here with my friend Desi to have a conversation about children education. Hello Desi, how are you?
Hi Ernie, I'm doing really well. How about you?
I'm great too, Desi. Thank you for taking the time to do this interview just so everyone know. Desi has been my college for quite some time. Like me, she also a mother of five children, and I believe there's so much I can learn from her experience. Do you think?
Not necessarily. I think we can learn from each other in this discussion.
So, how your child doing? Still achieve great thing as always?
Yeah, she's doing well. She's recently won an academic competition and scored higher on her exam than before. She's absolutely deserved it after all her hard work.
Of course, with your sport, right? That's actually why I need to ask you some question about this. I know your daughter is an achiever. Has she ever lost some motivation in her learning process?
Of course she have. She often feels stressed by the amount of homework and pressure to perform well. They might also believe they are not good at a particular subject or see it as unrelated to their interests.
That makes sense. What can parents and education do to help kids overcome this challenge?
It's essential to create a positive and supportive learning environment. This means praising kids for their effort and progress rather than just their grades or achievement. We should also be providing opportunities for kids to take ownership of their learning.
I like that idea. Can you give use some specific example of how parents can create a positive learning environment at home?
Sure, for example, I had set up a dedicated homework space that is quiet and free from distraction so she can be more focused doing her homework. Whenever she faced some difficulties, me or my husband managed to provide guidance and support. We always ask our daughter, like, "Dear, what could you not understand?" or "What do you think about this problem?" and so on, that she could be accustomed to figuring out, out by herself.
That's why feedback and communication play an important role, right?
It is. It helps kids understand what they are doing well and what they need to work on. Parents and educators should also be communicating regularly with kids, listening to their concern and idea, and providing guidance and support as needed.
Those are great tips. What about the role of technology or smartphone in learning? It is an inevitable distraction.
It could be. Then it's how depend we teach our kids using these technologies. And excessive screen time can be absolutely a distraction. It's essential for parents and educators to find a balance and ensure that technology.
Do you apply reward and punishment approach for your kids?
I do not punish when she did not achieve, but I encourage them to address what's wrong in the progress so their motivation stay. Meanwhile, I do something rewards even though it can be effective in the short term. However, the most important is to focusing on the joy of learning and the sense of being an achiever.
That's really awesome. Finally, what advice would you give to parents to motivate their kids?
My advice would be to patient, consistent, and supportive. It's essential to get to know their strength and weakness. Additionally, we could seek help and support from other professionals such as teacher, counselor, or tutors if needed.
Okay, thank you, Desi, for sharing your perspective and experience. That advice is very helpful. I hope people could learn from it.
Thank you, Ernie. It's been a pleasure.
Summary interview. This interview explores strategies to boost children learning motivation, highlight insight a mother Desi. Key findings include motivation is fleet, even high achievers struggle with motivation due to stress, pressure, or perceived inability. Communication is key. Open communication is vital. Listen to console over constructive feedback and understand individual needs. Tech impact, technology required balance, limit screen time, and ensure it is used for learning, not just entertainment. Process over product, focus on learning, not just grades, reward effort, and foster intrinsic motivation. Advice was parent, be patient, consistent, and supportive. Understand children strength and weakness, communicate regularly and listen to their concern, seek internal support when needed, teacher, tutor, or counselor. Conclusion, creating a positive and supportive learning environment, maintaining open communication, and balancing technology are key to sustaining children motivation, encouraging effort over result, and fostering intrinsic motivation help develop a lifelong love for learning. Parents play a crucial role by being patient, consistent, and supportive. Thank you.